Hello, everyone. My name is Ben Shea, co-founder at Synapbox, and we are an AI-powered content testing company. At Synapbox, we're helping our clients today to get feedback on their customer touchpoints to really ensure whatever they're pushing out to the market will resonate with their target audience. So, what we've actually done at Synapbox is developed a video and image testing platform to maximize ROI on your ad spending and content creation. And we do this by using a new and proprietary type of survey we created that remotely collects qualitative and quantitative consumer feedback. And really how this came to play was when we really thought about consumer feedback, we asked, why limit ourselves to only the keyboard when everyone has a personal device with a camera in it? So really now what we've done is using the participant's own device, we can remotely collect biometric and rational feedback on any piece of digital content. So through the webcam, we're collecting their reaction using eye tracking, emotional recognition, which is contextualized by what's happening on the screen, which we've automated using visual computing and object labeling. Then through the keyboard, we use surveys to collect and track traditional metrics and KPIs. And really with these different data points, which we have collected at speed and scale, has provided a new layer of insights never seen before in the industry of market research. And this is essentially how it works. Creating a study is a piece of cake. Upload the content, create a survey on our platform. What this does is it gives you a URL link that you can distribute through our network of panels, accessing over 60 million participants worldwide, or you may go through your own personal panel that you've already set up to collect data organically. Once the study is launched, you'll receive your data and insights in as quick as 48 hours. And ultimately, you no longer have to rely on surveys alone. Now you can add biometrics, content labeling, and really run a study anywhere in the world. We then use machine learning and AI to turn that data into dollars, real dollars, by giving you actionable insights that will move the needle on your business goals and KPIs. And an example of this is, would you rather have a survey alone? Or would you rather have the answers from a survey alone? Or would you also like to know how your target audience reacted towards your multi-million-dollar ad campaign? And this is where we've applying it to. There's three main areas our technology is used, whether it's advertising, doing both digital and traditional media. We also look at entertainment, looking a lot at product and brand placements in a lot of paid content. We also test a lot of pilots and trailers, and also in retail, mostly packaging and label design, which has been blowing up a lot recently since COVID. But easier to explain with examples. So here are a few of the use cases. Advertising is a huge one. Really testing. In this particular case, we're testing the best YouTube ads to understand what resonates with millennials. Anything over 40 seconds was a big insight that basically they turn off pretty quickly after that. Testing storyboards is another big one, really in the early stages of the creative process to make sure that the message is on point before you pour in those production dollars. This was a particular piece we ran with Uber. We also do, TV pilot testing. So this particular case, it was the pilots and trailers of Warner Media to see what drives better viewer intent and also higher branding potential. And of course, within these shows as well, we're looking at a lot of product placement testing. This particular one was with Coke to see if anyone noticed their brand and products on a very popular show on Netflix. And as previously mentioned, we do a lot of package testing as well, which has been a huge category these days. Pretty straightforward, essentially trying to figure out what your customer likes, and they will buy from you and not your competitors. Really test and make sure to see what resonates so your products will fly off the shelf. To really round up here, we are ultimately looking to bring three things to your organization. Agility, a really big one. We want you to enable you to test anywhere, anytime on your schedule with who you want. Different audiences give different results. Ultimately, we're gonna provide a lot of depth for your data. You know already what works. You can count the likes, you can count the clicks, but now you can also figure out why something works. Really add, our data sets and our insights to your performance metrics to see that entire and complete picture. And on top of that, predictability. Really collect this new layer of granular insights and data to really help you decide the future of your company. Here are at the bottom are also some of the happy clients that we're working with today, and we hope that you can join us in the next generation of consumer intelligence. Thank you very much for your time. I'm looking forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you.